Facebook misses earnings, but actually wasn't that bad. Coming up, I'll tell you why, here on The Jog. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It is 7:47 here in the middle part of the country on Thursday. It is February 3rd, 2022. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. Let's start off with Facebook. Last night, missing earnings, down 20% here this morning in the pre-market. Boom, that's a huge number to be down on kind of a narrow miss. If we're honest, we had 367 earnings per share versus a 384 expectation. That's not great. Revenue was actually higher, right? What do we care about more? Quite frankly, most of the time it is revenue because that can't be financially engineered, right? That's just a number that you post and that's how much money that you took in. You can't really monkey around with it from the accounting measure. Daily active users down a little bit. Monthly active users down a little bit. It's not that bad of a report. Of course, the stock just got killed. A reminder, you're buying businesses when you're investing in stocks. Buy businesses that have good growth opportunities. Meta happens to have one of the best growth opportunities in the metaverse. That is going to be their next frontier. If they execute there, this quarter won't matter in 10 years. Look for the long term. In the short term, program trading takes stocks up, takes stocks down, and remember, stocks go down about 7 times as fast as they go up. This can happen if you have a bad earnings report. Bank of England raising rates by 0.25% here. Let me grab you the headline. 0.25% up to 0.5% now. Here's the key. They almost raised rates to 0.75%. There were 9 members of the council there that decides on the Bank of England rates. 4 of them said, hey, let's raise it 50 basis points. Let's raise it to 0.75%. 5 of them, they carried the majority, said, let's go ahead and just raise it 25 basis points. Trying to fight inflation, they target inflation to be peaking in April. As we've already said, I think we're already close to peak inflation. Be interesting to see who ends up being right. That's probably the economists. That's their job. Last but not least, before we get you to a nice Thursday, weekly jobless claims. It's a bumpy number. This bump was pretty good. 238,000 jobs. Again, we have the best hiring environment we have ever had in our country for millennials. It continues to be a really good place to be employed. 238,000 jobless claims is a good number. If we continue to see subdued jobless growth, we're going to see continued employment growth, and that is a very good thing for the overall economy. Should send wages up. Oh my gosh, people getting paid more for their labor. What a terrible thing. No, that's a very good thing. Great competitive economy we have. If you want some additional information throughout the week, feel free to find me on the internet. I am out there. Until then, hope you have a very nice rest of your week. I am out.